Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Take a moment to compare how we garden to how we eat. In just 2 or 3 generations, we've gone from eating mostly home-cooked food and gardening with mostly local resources to fast food and weed and feed landscapes. Waistlines have become supersized, while garden sizes have withered. Why bother to grow your own when you can just run to the store and get a prepackaged salad? Instead of starting plants from seed, we buy cookie-cutter hybrids by the 6-pack, shipped to us at a great cost. Sure, there's less menial work in putting food on the table and flowers in the garden, but at what cost to the connections with the earth? Enter slow gardening. Similar to slow food, an international movement started in Italy in the 1980s by food connoisseurs who savor preparing and eating traditional in-season dishes. A slow gardening approach can help us enjoy our gardens more and reconnect us with our neighbors and the natural world. How to be a slow gardener? Relax, think long-term, and take your time. Life has lots of pressures, so why include them in the garden? And you don't have to do it alone. Stick a trowel in your back pocket and go off to do your errands. You'll discover gardening friends in all the right places, from the post office to the coffee shop. You don't have to be an expert to garden either, or even to work very hard. So ignore tendencies to be a superachiever or having to get it done now. For example, to get rid of some lawn, do it in stages. Mulch an area one season and dig a flower bed later using hand tools. Or start a compost or leaf pile this fall and add kitchen scraps. Keep a bird feeder well stocked. Make a relaxing garden swing, remembering that the longer the chain, the slower the swing. Slow, by the way, doesn't necessarily mean lazy. As to weather, slow gardeners take it as it comes, even puttering around the yard in the rain, because anything that connects us to our gardens, yes, we can be amused for an hour with a garden hose, is always welcome. Simple work means simple pleasures. Your garden provides you with natural opportunities to kick back, relax, and step off the treadmill. So take it slow, grab a digging fork, and slip right into the rhythm of the seasons. Got a comment? I have an email address, mygarden@alaska.net. For the UpBeet Gardener in Kodiak, Alaska, I'm Marion Owen.